there, people. Sidetrack 77 here. Uh, it's the week after my own train show. Um, what is it? Yeah, October 26th. Um, the St. John train show in St. John, New Brunswick was today. And I had to make a delivery for the fella who won our door prize. So I thought I'd spend an hour or so there, and yeah, I got a little something. Not much, but anyway, we'll do a quick little video on this train show haul. Not often they're a week apart and back to back, but anyway, it's good fun, and I hope you enjoy. Of course, this is my bag that I usually use, as if that really matters, but anyway. We'll not go in any particular order. So, one item I bought was this Athearn Ready to Roll John Deere Construction Series Canadian Pacific flat car with the load. I thought that was very cool. So that kind of can go with my John Deere tractors trains. Yeah, so thought that neat. By the same seller, he had Athearn bus and Circadian bus line. Look at it, it's even Halifax. So that's freaking cool. So I bought that from the same seller. So that's very neat. Then I got this. You know, looking for years, can't find them, and then all of a sudden they're all over the place. I got myself a 40-foot what are they called? Let's see. High Cube. That's it. That's what it's called. Boxcar. So, yeah, I can upgrade that. And I mean, the road names are irrelevant to me because I originally wanted this just for the cover because I have the chassis with the two cleaning motors and the DCC. So, but anyway, I just want them. So I can take them off my list on eBay now. Bloody expensive. I got that for like $5. From the same seller, I got this 44-tonner Bachmann. It's not in great shape. It's been custom painted and whatnot. Yeah, I didn't even get it tested. I didn't care. I had something I wanted to trade back with the seller, and I got that for the trade, and I paid him $5 for the boxcar, so not a big deal. So anyway, the whole purpose for this is I really just wanted the chassis and the motor. So if that works, the rest are parts. So we can check that out in a few minutes. I bought this more on a whim than anything. It was only $5. But it looks like it's all there and in good shape. The only thing it doesn't have is the belts for the drives. A little paint wear, nothing too serious. Might have a little chip. They might be chipped, I'm not sure. Needless to say, nothing too serious. But I have the gray and the purple or blue one. So I thought, what the heck, for $5, might as well continue a collection. Looking for the bronze one. These might be donor parts if I can get a bronze one. We'll see. And the last thing I bought and not really in any particular order, was a Sagami motor. Um, it's a dual shaft. Um, 2mm shaft, 12-volt DC motor, Northwest short line. I'm guessing it's a coreless motor. Oh, and I got a flywheel that goes on a 2mm shaft for $1. Actually, I got that for free. I believe this is a coreless motor. It doesn't really feel like there's a like the typical commutator in there. I can just very fine bump when I spin the shaft. So don't really need 2 shafts for a few of the projects, but anyway, I may or may not use this. But I thought, what the heck, we'll get it for $20. So yeah. Yeah, we'll I'm not gonna bother putting the box car or the Athearn car on the track and do a run by. I think I'll just do a little blip on this and maybe see if the motor runs on this. All right, we'll pause and readjust. All right, we'll throw this on the track. The wheels are very corroded, but maybe it'll power the motor. We'll see. Needs a good cleaning. I saw a video of someone who put a new chassis and gearbox and motor in these to make it run, I guess, in a sense, more realistic. So might be something future venture. Anyway, nothing's running on that, so that's fine. Let's try the 44 tonner. As I said, this might even be the 2-motor one, the old one. I couldn't be sure. But, yeah, let's give it a shot. Oh, geez, it's running. Well, that's good. At least it's running. If it's the single motor one, I'd be very happy. There's a good chance it's the double motor. All right. Well, that's very cool. So that's it for today. I guess if you like what you see, hit the like button. Tell someone about it. Maybe share it around. If you're not a member, I'd appreciate it. It's free. Join, and I respond to all of the comments. So far, anyway, I haven't gotten overwhelmed. So, yeah, I'd be happy to hear from you. We'll see you on the next one.